Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Open Settings and tap Phone to start blocking unknown calls today. Scroll and enable Silence unknown callers to send unknown numbers straight to voicemail. This setting works on iOS 17 or later and filters calls that are not in your contacts, mail, or messages. You will still receive voicemails and missed call notifications, so you never lose a message. Use this first because it is built into iOS and requires no app, subscription, or carrier support to function effectively. Open Settings and create a focus that permits calls only from favorites or specific groups. Add exceptions so family numbers always ring through during that focus schedule. Contact your carrier to enable network spam blocking and call labeling for stronger filtering at the provider level. Some carriers identify suspected spam and label calls before your iPhone shows them. Combining an iPhone focus with carrier features reduces robocalls more than relying on a single method at a time. For advanced protection, install a reputable call blocking app and grant it phone permissions to identify and block spam calls. Use the Recents list to block repeated offenders manually and tap Report Junk or report the number to your carrier when available. Consider enabling Silence unknown callers, carrier filtering, and a blocking app together for layered protection. Keep iOS updated and review your phone and focus settings monthly to ensure new features and spam lists keep working for your device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.